Children, let us play a game. Okay? Are you ready?
Ready, sir.
Okay. When I say head, shoulder, stomach, knees, you should touch the body parts. These body parts. Okay? You should follow my caution. Huh? Otherwise, if you miss, you are out of the game. Okay? Are you ready?
Ready, sir.
Head, shoulders, stomach, knees, stomach, shoulders, head, knees, head, stomach, knees, shoulder, head, shoulder, stomach. You out. Okay, you are out from the game. From the game. Next, knees, stomach, shoulders, head, shoulders. You out. Jay, you out. Go. Go to your place. And sit down. Knees. Head, shoulders, stomach, knees, shoulders, head, shoulders, knees. Shiva out. Shoulders, head, shoulders, stomach out. You out. Knees, stomach, shoulders, head, stomach, shoulders. You out. Go. Stomach, shoulder, stomach, head, shoulders, stomach, knees, stomach, shoulders, head, shoulders. Out. You go to your place. Okay, come here. Shoulders out. Okay. Varalakshmi is the winner. Claps all of you. So second winner is Akshay. Okay, claps for them. How is the game? How is the game? Super,
sir.
Okay. Have you enjoyed the game?
Enjoy, sir.
Okay, right. Fine. Go to your places.